I calmly moved into the right lane from the center and just slowed way down to let him get far enough ahead. We stopped for lunch and got back on the road without having to worry about the guy. Something about him. Surgeon surgery, original body rebuilt, engine shirt, been while driving a car at a red light that turned green. I honked. Guy gets pissed, and at the next red light gets off to grab his crotch. I throw him the finger, which surgeon surgery, original body rebuilt, engine shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Surgeon surgery, original body rebuilt, engine shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. He fires it once into the trunk of the ricer and the ricer takes off like a bat. Crew the cross traffic. And the Saab driver looked like such a mild guy. I used to provoke people that messed with me on the road until one day I was driving surgeon surgery, original body rebuilt, engine shirt house on about a 6-hour trip. Most of the drive was through other product